Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today, we've got an absolute legend from Jada's BigTime Muscle series, the 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429. Just check it out in that bright orange packaging with the BigTime Muscle logo splashed across the front. You can already tell this one's built for serious power. Let's get it out of the box and onto the turntable. And wow! Look at that deep candy red paint job shining under the light. The stance is aggressive, the body lines are classic, and Jada gave it those fat rear tires that scream quarter-mile dominance. Right on the fender, you see that Boss 429 badge, a nod to one of the most iconic Mustang motors ever built. Up front, the blacked-out grille with the Mustang pony emblem looks mean, paired with the matte black hood scoop sitting tall and ready to feed that powerhouse. Moving to the side, chrome 5-hole drag wheels tucked under wide fenders. And out back, a massive spoiler plus rear window louvers give this Boss that pure muscle car vibe. Now let's open it up. Both doors swing wide, showing off a fully detailed interior, bucket seats, chrome racing shifter, and even those old-school dash gauges. Under the hood, Jada didn't hold back. A nicely detailed Boss 429 block with chrome headers and intake, giving you that miniature powerhouse look. And now let's flip it around to the back, and you've got the bold Mustang lettering across the tail with the tri-bar taillights and the pony emblem right in the center. Classic Mustang DNA all the way. This 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is pure big-time muscle. Jada nailed the stance, the details, and the overall presence of this diecast. Definitely one for the collection. If you find it at Walmart or your local retailer, don't hesitate. This one's a must-have. So that's all we have for today. But stay tuned for next time. We'll be showing this 1957 Chevrolet Corvette from Jada's BigTime Muscle. You won't want to miss it. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, go cruise down to our other videos and check out what other cool rides we have here at Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to. So until next time, keep diecasting and God bless.